Hey guys, welcome back to Wrenchology. Today I'm going to show you how to change the wiper blades on my 2013 Bolt. Super quick, super simple. All you need is new wiper blades and a little screwdriver. Let's get started. Lift up the wiper blade, press on that little tab with the screwdriver, and pull. Ta-da! Next we're going to open the wiper blades and add the correct adapter that matches that. That way we can put it back on. So we're going to have to take this adapter off and then install this one. Press on that tab and then pull it back, and then we'll pull it back in a way and it should just pop off. That goes underneath. Make sure it snaps fully in. And let's reattach. And make sure you take this little white guard off before you actually go to use them. Make sure the arrow is pointing away, like up, and just slide these into the whole little arm. Make sure it's not going to come off, and pull off the guard. Voila! Repeat the process for the other side. Hopefully that was easy enough to follow. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Till next time.